just to start off, I think it's been a great day. I think it's been really spectacular inputs from everyone. Very, very inspiring, very interesting. You asked me, would I like all the inputs? And I think, yes, I did. Provocative, inspiring, educational, really, really good. So I think Julio kind of framed the problem very succinctly. I mean, so we're past the 1.5 degree. Okay, not good. It'll take 30 companies the size of Shell to kind of do something about it. That's also a fair bit of a challenge, but also a little bit of hope that, things are happening out there on many levels, not just in what we do, but also at other levels. Things are coming together a little bit. Policies, I guess you can sort of liken that to tectonic plates moving slowly into place, gradually, getting policies, regulatory, government mandates, that kind of stuff, kind of moving into place that at some point will start to facilitate what we're trying to do. So I think that was definitely optimistic. I think also sort of from more of our own world, from the technology side, I think there is ground for optimism. There's a lot of stuff coming out. We saw some of it showcased here. There were lots of examples in the presentation. So there is a lot of technology coming. I think what we need to do and what we need to think about is how we accelerate the deployment of what is sort of still moving in the labs and getting out. And I think so lots of really inspiring ideas and on how to do that, which I think is extremely important, that we need to connect, we need to think differently, we need to engage, and we need to build these ecosystems that connect research and innovation to accelerate and to move stuff out into reality. And I think one of the really great things is that we have really important stakeholders here today that allow us to do that. So I think that is absolutely great. Many challenges out there. In the last panel debate, the data, the MRV, the voluntary versus compliance, all of these things are definitely important and we need to address those. But I do see optimism out there, also complexity. And if I just might quote one thing that I think was if I want to frame it. So, and this is from you, Andrea, and I'm not sure I'm quoting you exactly. It might be paraphrasing a little bit, but I think this is one of the sort of one-liners we can have from this is that entrepreneurship is activism for scientists. So if you want to be an activist, go do some entrepreneurship.
That's a wonderful quote, isn't it?
I think so too.
Okay, so many are going to Foulum tomorrow.
Yep.
What's going on?
Well, tomorrow we Lars actually said, so we inaugurate our first pilot facility, the CO2 to protein facility. So a big day tomorrow, and then so this is one of the pieces of building this bridge, of accelerating, creating the infrastructure that allow us to scale fast.
And on your desk on Cork, the next coming months, years, what will you be working with?
Well, so one thing that we will be doing, so we will actually be taking action on all of this, trying to connect the research and the innovation ecosystem. So we are building an innovation team. We have an innovation manager coming on board starting January 1st. And so we're looking forward very much to announcing who that is and moving forward. So we are actually now walking the talk.
And I know that you wanted just a few words here in the very end to say thank you to some of the people here.
Absolutely. Yes. Yes. So behind the scenes, there's been a lot of work going on, and I just want to thank the Cork team. They're all over. You've met a lot of them today. So thanks, guys. It's really amazing. You've done a great job. Yes, round of applause. I'd also like to thank the speakers, all of those of you who've been up here today. Again, wonderful presentations, thought-provoking, inspiring. Thank you very much. I think also a round of applause to them. And last but not least, our moderator, Ida Ebbensgaard. Thank you very much.
Thank you for today, and thank you to you, Lasse.
Thank you very much. Thank you.